Welcome back. Now, you may be asking the question, what if you were to use a website in order to build your list? Now, obviously, throughout this course, you've seen a very easy method of list building and creating an online income that really did not require you to have or use a website. And you can certainly use that method and you will be perfectly fine. Now, everything that we've discussed about list building will work just as well, if not better, if you have your own hosting and your own website. Now, several of the processes that we've gone over will be easier and provide more continuity for your customers if you use a website in order to communicate with them. Now, there are several, probably many, free website building platforms that you can use that don't require hosting. You can go to WordPress.com or Blogger.com or Wix or any of those platforms in order to build your website. Now, most marketers tend to get their own hosting space and they use WordPress as their website builder. Now, if you aren't technical and all of that seems to be overwhelming, each of the steps we're going to be talking about in the next few videos can be completed by someone on the Fiverr website. These things can be outsourced and they can be outsourced inexpensively. So don't be overwhelmed by them. If you don't feel as if you want to do them or they seem to be too complicated or they stop you from progressing, look, just send them over to someone else to do them and then you reap the benefit. There's no reason for you to have to do anything that will keep you from moving in your online marketing business. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.